she said, anyhowness of this country. How is a passenger allowed to stand so close to an aircraft whose doors have closed, engine started, and is ready for takeoff? If na ordinary Nigerian like me now, agenda go agenda. Make we continue to move like we are in the zoo, please. It suits us. In fact, are they shame? Are they shame? Oh, are they shame? I'm ashamed. Another person said, well, if it's you, okay, so people are commenting, if it's you, I guess you might also go scot-free because all animals are equal. But some are just more equal than others until we decide to really follow the values that old Major spoke about. We'll continue to have such anyhowness in the zoo. Kate Enshaw replies, she says, I won't even behave this way. Nah, are they meant? Now only mental person to go behave like that. It's totally inconceivable that this would have been my line of action, or it would be the only course of action open to me. No way. Another person said, if na ordinary Nigerian person, the person for done the sweat for police detention. Exactly. Somebody said they don't knock ordinary Nigerian terrorism charge.